Boom base installation. Remove the boom foot pins from the boom base. Apply grease to the boom foot pin holes. Confirm no foreign particle on the pin and pin hole. Attach the slings to the boom base. Lift the boom base and move it to the base machine. Align the boom foot with the foot pin holes. Insert the shims to the boom foot. Do not use a hammer to insert the shims. Insert the boom foot pins, followed by the securing pins. Lower the boom base onto wood blocks. Grease to the boom foot pins. Connect the cables of the boom base to the junction panel on the upper machinery. Shut the engine off before connecting the connectors. Lift and hold the backstop with the assist crane, and remove the securing pins. Pull out the backstop and couple it to the swing frame. In the same way, connect the opposite side backstop. Set the upper spreader on the gantry. Pay out 30 meters or more of the boom hoist wire rope. Be careful not to dirty the rope. Reeve the boom hoist wire rope. Reeve the wire rope in the proper sequence. Terminate the end of the wire rope on the load detector side with the rope socket. Be careful not to use the rope socket upside down or backwards. Raise the spreader guide. Operate the boom hoist drum with the upper spreader suspended directly above. Operate the boom hoist drum carefully as not to cause rough spooling. Move the upper spreader to the spreader guide. Remove the securing pin. Use the spreader guide to stow the upper spreader and insert the securing pins. Detach the slings. Installing of ladder for machinery guard. Insert the ladder in the pipe on the machinery guard, then turn the ladder towards the upper machinery. Insert the securing pins to lock the ladder in place. Raising gantry. Remove the securing pins to free the links. Before moving the base machine, make sure the surrounding area is clear of people and safe to move. Operate the gantry control switch to raise the gantry. Insert the securing pins into the gantry links. Insert the securing pins into the travel kit. Rotate the boom hoist drum to tighten the wire rope. Installing a boom tip. Attach the sling to the boom tip. Lift the boom tip and place it near the boom base. Align the top side pinholes. Use flanged connecting pins. Keep fingers out of pinholes. Insert the connecting pins into the top side pinholes. Detach the slings. Hoist the boom drum to align the bottom side pinholes. Do not stand on or enter under inside of the attachment being assembling disassembling. Use double tapered connecting pins. Keep fingers out of pinholes. Insert the connecting pins into the bottom side pinholes. Installation of the base skyline. Ensure to work with the gantry is set at work position and the inching switch should be set in inching position. Do not perform the hoisting work or travel while the boom is supported with the cantilever. Failure to observe this precaution may result in a serious injury or loss of life. Watch the boom hoist drum and rope during boom operation as not to cause rough spooling. Pay out the boom hoist wire rope. Lift the guy lines and connect them to the top end of the boom tip. Spread the split pins 60 degrees apart, 30 degrees to each side. Do not bend just one side 60 degrees. Guide the guy lines as necessary, so that they do not droop to the side of the boom. Lower the guy lines onto the boom. Keep the guy lines as straight as possible on the boom. Connect the guy lines to the upper spreader. Insert the guy line connecting pin from the inside. Remove the securing pins from the upper spreader. Hoist the boom hoist drum to lift the upper spreader slightly. Insert the securing pins into the upper spreader. Hoist the boom hoist drum further to draw the guy lines taut. Front drum wire rope reeving. In this chapter, 32-ton hook with 4 parts of lined wire rope will be assembled as explanation. Swing the upper machinery and set the hook block, weight of over hoist limit switch and socket on the ground. Set the hook block so that it is in a straight line with the point sheave. When passing the hoist wire rope to the hook block, face the striker, hook block side weight catch, contacting the hook over hoist limit switch weight to the bottom foot side. Swing the upper machinery back over the hook. Pay out the front drum wire rope. Pass the wire rope through the idler sheave and boom point sheave. Be sure to pass the wire rope through the sheaves correctly. Pass the front drum wire rope through the hook sheave and boom point sheave in order. Install the limit switch and pass the wire rope through it. Install the rope socket and secure the end of the wire rope to it. Install the rope socket in the correct direction. Pay out the electrical cable from the cable reel. Secure the junction cables or limit switch wiring to the boom with the hanger. Connect the cable to the boom tip junction panel. Engage the cable reel stopper once having paid out enough cable. Connect the cable from the upper machinery junction panel to the cable reel. Check the connection of load detector connector.